it's Greg here, and in this video we're going to be looking at the Nanoby M1 3-channel dash cam. So it'll show you front outside the windshield, it'll show you behind the car as well as in the car, which is great for when you have passengers. So it is 4K high def forward facing and 1080 for rear and inside. It has GPS as well as the fast Wi-Fi, which is important for when you need to download videos. Let's see what's in the box. All right, should be able to see it well from this angle. Tips before use, you can pause there if you want to see those. Quick setup card. Step-by-step contact. A manual. Looks pretty good. Couple static films, which you will want when you're mounting it. And then there's the camera itself. It's actually got a good size screen, so this is what you'd see inside. We'll stick onto the windshield here. There's your camera, and it does have a tilt. So when you put that on your windshield, you can adjust the angle, which is good. A lot of those don't have that. Oh, and inside has the same thing for the inside camera. And this should be the SD card. If I had fingernails, I could tell you. There we go, 64 gig. What else we got? I've got a pen that may be for like a reset or something. You have the power cord, trim tool that you might need to run your wires. So this is the rear facing camera with plenty of cable. Looks like an extra patch. And this will stick on the back window generally and face rearward. Some cable clamps so you can run your cables and keep them out of the way. Some more cable clamps. A wedged, oh that's good, a wedged mount bracket here. So if this doesn't line up just right, you can use the wedge. All right, well there you go. There's your buttons. Yeah, there's your reset. That's what the little pin is for. On, off, right, left, M, menu maybe, and OK. Looks like they should be easy to reach. All right, I gotta go install this thing. Installation was quick and easy, but I haven't run the cable yet. Gotta do that still. Here I have the default setting, which is date, time, speed, and GPS coordinates. This is a low speed setting with lots of cars, people, and license plates. You get an idea of what it'll look like. Here we're on the interstate at dawn, and I've set it to just show the date and time. Hope that this has been helpful in showing you the features and performance of the Nanoby 4K 3-channel dash cam. Link is in the description.